Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use Claude Code Unlimited Access using Ollama. Open web browser. I am using Safari browser. You can use your favorite browser. Go to Google. Go to search. Type here. Quick Start Claude Code. Let's click on it. Let's click on first link. Quick Start Claude Code. Scroll down. Click on macOS. This is the curl command which you can use to install Claude Code. Simple, just copy the command. Go to Spotlight search. Type terminal. Double click on terminal. Now terminal open. Increase terminal font. Paste the copied command here. Press enter, which is going to start the installation of Claude Code. Minimize web browser, so you can see the installation has been started. You need to wait until the installation is completed. Now you can see Claude Code successfully installed, and also says native installation exits. Run this command also to add it into your ZSHRC. So I am going to run this command here. So just copy this command. Paste the command on terminal. Press enter. Once the command is executed, they set the location in ZSHRC. Now run the Claude. Type Claude. Press enter. Now Claude is start. So here you can choose the theme. Dark mode, light mode. I am going to leave as default. Press enter. Select the subscription. I don't want to use any subscription here because I want to use the Ollama models with the Claude Code. Minimize terminal. Open web browser. Go to Google. Type Ollama. Press enter. Click on first link. Ollama. Ollama official website is open. Simple, just copy the command. Click on terminal. Paste the command on terminal. This script which can install Ollama on our macOS. Press enter. Now the Ollama installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Provide your Mac password. Now the Ollama installation is completed. Now, once Ollama is installed, you can easily run commands and download popular models directly from the command line. But that's not the only way. You can also access it through the Applications section. Close terminal. When you open your apps, minimize web browser. Click Apps. You'll notice the Ollama icon. Just click on it, and it will launch a graphical user interface. As you can see, the interface opens up smoothly, giving you a more visual way to interact with Ollama. Click on New Chat. From here, the first thing you can do is select the models. These listed options are cloud-based models that you can choose and start working with right away. As you can see, most of these models are cloud-based. But when you scroll down, you'll also find models that you can download and use locally. Any model with a download icon can be installed directly on your Mac. Once downloaded, you can run these models locally without needing an internet connection. So I am going to use one of these cloud models, let's say Kimi K2.5. You can see this kind of message which says need to sign into Ollama accounts. But I am using Kimi K2.5 on terminal with Claude Code. Go to web browser. Ollama website is already open. Click on Model. Scroll down. Click on K 2.5. So I am going to copy this command, which is Ollama launch Claude and then -- model. The model name is optional, so you can just copy the Ollama launch Claude. Go to terminal. Paste the command here. Press enter. Now it will redirect the browser. You need to sign in first, if you have already created account. In my case, I am going to create new account. Click on sign up. Type here email. Click on continue. Check on verify. Set up the password. Click continue. Again check on verify. Verify your email. Verification code send on your email. Click on connect device. Device connected successfully. Go to terminal. Claude Code has now been launched. Let's move forward with the setup. First, I will select the dark mode option and press enter. After that, it asks whether to use the recommended terminal setup. I'll select yes and press enter again. Finally, you can choose the folder where you want to use Claude Code. For now, I'll go with the home directory since I'm not working on any specific project yet. Whenever I start a project, I'll open Claude Code inside that particular folder. So, I'll select yes, I trust this folder. And now Claude Code is successfully opened. You can also see the model here, K 2.5. Cloud. So I am going to give this command, which is write Java hello world code. Press enter. It has generated a simple hello world program in Java, and it's also asking if I want to create a hello world.java file. I will go ahead and select no for now. And there you have it, that's the code. Everything is working smoothly with the K 2.5 model and Claude Code. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up Claude plus Ollama on Mac Generate AI coding tool free. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.